Today, I'm going to demonstrate ID3 algorithm using the scientific tools. The name of the scientific tools is Orange. We use this scientific tool for visualizing the dataset. Let me open the tool. Click on the new, give a title. Now, first of all, we have to import our dataset. The format of the dataset should be CSV. Click on data, click on file, double click on file, click here. There are so many datasets. All these datasets are already inbuilt in the Orange. You can take your own dataset. Suppose I took this dataset. From internet also you can take your dataset and enter the URL here. Here is the detail of your datasets, names, types and role. In the dataset there should be one target. In this dataset, diagnosis is the target. Close it. Now, for interpreting the dataset, click on the data table. Now, join file with the data table. Now, double click on the data table. The number of the columns is 20 and the number of rows is 569. All the information about the dataset is given here. If there is any missing value, then here it will be shown. In this dataset, we do not have any missing value. For example, take the example of diagnosis B. Its radius is 13.50, its texture is 14.36, its perimeter is 87.46, its area is 566.3, and all the other attributes are given. Smoothness, compactness, concavity, all these are given. For interpreting all these numeric values, click here. You can visualize it. And diagnoses are of two types, B and M. M is represented here with the red one and B is represented with the blue one. You can interpret all this data. Now close it. Now we have to make our decision tree. For decision tree, click on the model, click on the tree, bring it here. Now connect file with the tree. Now this is our tree. Double click on this. Here there are some parameters. You can change this, induce binary tree, limit the maximal tree depth and minimum number of instances in the leaves. You can change all this. Now for viewing the tree, click on the visualize, click on tree viewer. Now join tree with the tree viewer. Okay. Now double click on the tree viewer. This is our decision tree. This is our decision tree. This is the diagnosis B, diagnosis M, diagnosis B. All these are given here. This is our root node. All these are our internal nodes. Each internal node represents a test on the attribute. All these internal nodes are representing test on the worst radius. And these are the branches which are the result of this test. For example, you can see here B, diagnosis B. It is 62.7%. And now one target attribute is taken, and on the basis of this worst radius, we are splitting our data set into two categories. First is less than 16.7 and other one is 16 greater than 16.7. Now here, see here, this is our diagnosis B. It is 91.3% of this one, and here diagnosis M is 94.2% of this one. And now take the example of this one. What's concave points? On the basis of this, we are splitting the data set again, and here on the basis of concavity we are splitting our data set. In this manner we are splitting our data set. Now you can change the depth of our tree. Suppose I choose 2 levels, then our tree will be very short. Here you can change it up to 4 levels. This is our decision tree. And if you want to target any class, like we have two diagnoses B and M. If you want to target only B, then see, this is only B. It will show only the B. Where are the B? It will show with the blue, and it will show only M now. All these are M. I hope you will like my video. Thank you.